Hard.
So these
Because
guys
today we have
are
some lovely
battling each
prizes to
other.
give away.
Not
We
sure
have
why,
breakfast,
but
2
life in
frozen
Aruba.
drinks, t-shirts to cover your naked body, and of course money.
You know where the towels are?
That way. Transfer. Okay. No, it's fine.
No, he didn't.
Alright guys, for all you winos, everybody that loves wine, don't forget tomorrow we have the wine tasting session. Sweetie, it's $2 a card, eh? So, oh yeah, I wanted to, sir, with the red skin hat on, the speaker is now $2.
You gonna get in on the action?
Okay guys, tomorrow we have the wine tasting session for all you wine lovers at 3 o'clock. And you can sign up for that at the activity. Wine tasting session in the terrace and the terrace of the captain's table, in the back of the captain's table, below. Below. That's